Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So in this video, I want to talk about what I'm about to launch. This is coming soon, and this is something that I'm going to be providing myself, a community, a place where you can learn from me how I do things, how I create apps, how, possibly being able to create a full-blown team duplication marketing system, a lead magnet for your team, the whole landscape and how we work, the whole workflow of any individual, whether you're technical or not, is vastly changing because it's becoming what we call, and a lot of people are starting to use this word, agentic AI, where you dictate, you learn how to kind of ramble or articulate. So having an AI on your computer and even using tools that I'm going to be introducing you to, even on the free tier, you're going to be able to do incredible things. All right. So most of us are familiar. I think I can safely say that most of us are familiar with a simple chat interface, whether you're using ChatGPT or whether you're using Gemini or Claude, it doesn't matter. You're pretty familiar with this kind of interface, most people. And if you're not, you've probably used it. All right. You've probably used something like this where you ask a question and you get something. People call it generative AI because you generate something, whether it's an email or whether it's like you do with a friend. And if you don't want to type, you can just use a microphone and then just speak, or even use your mobile because it's all on your mobile as well. So most people are familiar with all this, but I'm basically talking about taking this all to a new level. My source code, I'll give you access to the applications that I've created and things like marketing systems, team duplication systems. I've also got an app that I created in one evening that is a full-blown e-learning system. That's actually not only something that you would build yourself, but you'd have access because I also built an admin system that you can use. So learn a bit more about what I'm going to be doing. But complete team CRM, the profile where you rebrand everything and you set everything up, and it's totally duplicatable to your team. You can manage your team and downline. And I built this. I mean, I can show you how to build something like this from scratch. However, I'm going to be giving you the source code. And then I also created an e-learning platform where you'll be able to get access to this system and the source code, but also an admin panel where you can actually go away and develop it yourself or just use it as it is. So if the user was actually registered, and there's actually technically no registration with this, I purposely created a mini e-course or e-learning system that integrates into Leadsleep. And when you've already subscribed, you'll come back and you'll be able to go straight to the dashboard. You can also manage your own courses. And if one of your lessons, for example, that you created, you wanted to kind of use as a teaser on the main homepage, you can set that up and then they can learn about the course that you're giving, or you can lock other lessons. So I created this and I'll show you how to create stuff like this, and I'll even give you the source code. So when you open the dashboard, it's like your typical e-learning platform. Very nice. And they go through, and when they complete a lesson, they go to the next and they got their progress and everything. And it's a nice e-learning training system, and you get access to the admin panel and everything. So you can host this. I mean, I'm going to show you how to run this within an AI tool that just hosts it for you. You don't actually have any idea, no FTP, no hosting, no uploads, no nothing. The AI does it on the system. And actually, this is all hosted on a free system. So the free tier will actually allow you, it's a very generous free tier. It's incredible. So this is what I'm going to be talking about. And then we're going to be showing you how we can develop stuff together as a community. We're going to be unstoppable as a community, guys. I've got so many ideas that we can bring out in terms of apps. You can ask me questions and we'll be working together. So if you come into any issues or you've got questions you want to ask, we can go over it. It's going to be a very practical training. It's going to be a regular meetup weekly, and you'll have access to the recording. So obviously, if you can't show up live, it'll be recorded. So you get access to everything, plus my source code and everything. And as we bring out new apps and everything, you'll get access to the new stuff. And as we develop existing apps, about an hour or so, with plenty of breaks. I was just tinkering, but architect, you kind of ramble. It's like talking to a friend, someone who's sitting beside you. They know what you need. They're intelligent enough to understand your limited knowledge of how to articulate it, because none of us are professionals. Of course, we have no idea sometimes. And sometimes I don't even have inspiration or whatever But the great thing about these tools is you can brainstorm, and it's just mind-boggling. It really is. So this is what we're going to be learning. All right. If you're interested, get on the page and opt in. It's not live. All right, but it's coming. But if you opt in, you'll be the first to know when we're going to be starting the first training. And the first training is just going to be free. You can decide if you want to continue or not. It's up to you. But obviously the ongoing training and the fact that you get source code and everything, obviously that's not going to be free, but it's going to be affordable. It'll be around less than $30, put it that way. But it will be a monthly training and monthly subscription. And that's basically what I'm going to potentially be a part of it. Let me know. Ask me questions. Happy to answer. But yeah, that's what we're looking to do. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you. Bye for now.